Over a billion people live with a disability. Will your technology include or exclude them? I'm Abdurrahman Al-Gammal, the CEO of Gammal Tech. And on Global Accessibility Awareness Day, I want to remind everyone that inclusive design isn't optional, it's essential. When we build apps and platforms that work for people of all abilities, we expand opportunity for all, adding captions, optimizing for screen readers, and embracing universal design transforms the digital world into a more welcoming place. Inclusivity isn't just good ethics, it's good business because it taps into the talent and creativity of everyone. My challenge to you: find one way to make your product or service more accessible this week. Together, let's shape the future so no one gets left behind.